So we'll start it off with 2013 Bowman. Got 4 autos and jersey. 10 packs. Tons of rookies, tons of color. All right, 2013 Bowman. Pack number 1. All right, take all the base off the back. There's a mini card here. All right, I'll just fly through these rookies since there's a ton of them. Mini rookie for the Vikings of Xavier Rhodes. Another base rookies for the Panthers, Robert Lester. For the Ravens, Arthur Brown. For the Eagles, Jordan Poyer. For the Cowboys, Terrence Williams. For the Chargers, Keenan Allen. For the Giants, Jonathan Hankins. For the Jets, D. Milner. For the Packers, Dayton Jones. And now on to the black rookies. For the Eagles, Jordan Poyer. For the Cowboys, Terrence Williams. For the Chargers, Keenan Allen. For the Giants, Jonathan Hankins. Got a Mikel Lashur and Jermichael Finley, black. Got a black chrome rookie for the 49ers of Eric Reed. Eric Reed, black chrome rookie. Don't think those are, nope, not numbered. Have a chrome of Ben Roethlisberger. And hit number 1 is of Stedman Bailey. Stedman Bailey. 90% sure that goes with the Rams. But Stedman Bailey autograph, not numbered. So, pack number 2. Take all the base off the pack again. Alright. The mini rookie is for the Chiefs, Tyler Bray. Now the base rookies for the Broncos, Monte Ball. For the Redskins, Bakari Rambo. For the Jaguars, Matt Scott. For the Panthers, Kenyon Barner. For the Chargers, Brad Sorensen. For the Texans, Colin Klein. For the Eagles, Miguel Masonette. For the Bills, Marquise Goodwin. And now to the black rookies. For the Eagles, Miguel Masonette. For the Bills, Marquise Goodwin. For the Panthers, Robert Lester. For the Ravens, Arthur Brown. Got a black parallel of Demaryius Thomas and Victor Cruz. Got a gold chrome of Chance Warmack for the Titans. Chance Warmack gold chrome, not numbered. Oh, actually out of $3.99. That Chance Warmack for the Titans is out of $3.99. Got a chrome base of T.Y. Hilton. And a die cut for the Packers of Randall Cobb. Randall Cobb die cut for the Packers. So on to pack number 3. Again, take all the base off the back. Get that mini card. The front. Alright, for the 49ers, mini rookie, Marcus Lattimore. Now the base rookies, for the Redskins, David Amerson. For the Rams, T.J. McDonald. Saints, Kenny Vaccaro. Rams, Stedman Bailey. Raiders, Connor Vernon. Cardinals, Kevin Minter. Rams, Philip Lusenkirchen. And the Colts, Kerwin Williams. Now the black rookies, for the Panthers, Star Lutulele. For the Cardinals, Alex Okafor. For the Dolphins, Deion Jordan. Got a blue paper of Niall Davis for the Chiefs out of $4.99. Niall Davis for the Chiefs, blue paper out of $4.99. Got a Cecil Shorts and a Jamal Charles black. For the Steelers, got a Marcus Wheaton Chrome rookie. Marcus Wheaton Chrome rookie for the Steelers, not numbered. Chrome card of Julio Jones, and autograph number 2 is of Matt Elam. Matt Elam, not sure what team he's on or what team he got drafted by, but Matt Elam autograph. So there's 2 autos down. Still need 2 more autos and a jersey. Take all the base off the back. Alright, mini rookies for the Jaguars, Matt Scott. Now the base rookies for the Lions, Ezekiel Ansah. For the Bears, Cassine Green. For the Chiefs, Nico Johnson. For the Dolphins, Mike Gillislee. For the Seahawks, Chris Harper. For the Ravens, Aaron Millett. For the Patriots, Logan Ryan. And for the Vikings, Sharif Floyd. Now on to the black rookies. For the 49ers, DJ Harper. For the 49ers again, Quentin Patton. For the Cardinals, Andre Ellington. For the Eagles, Zach Ertz. Got black parallels of Colin Kaepernick and Bobby Wagner. Have a blue chrome of Kenny Stills for the Saints out of $4.99. Kenny Stills blue chrome out of $4.99. Had a chrome card of Colin Kaepernick. And a die cut of Justin Blackmon for the Jaguars. Justin Blackmon die cut for the Jaguars. On to pack number 5. Take all the base, the back. The mini rookie is for the 49ers of DJ Harper. And now the base rookies, base rookie of DJ Harper for the 49ers. Quentin Patton for the 49ers. Andre Ellington for the Cardinals. Zach Ertz for the Eagles. Tyler Eifert for the Bengals. Jonathan Banks for the Buccaneers. Bjorn Werner for the Colts. And Desmond Trufant for the Falcons. Now the black rookies, we got Kenyon Barner for the Panthers. Brad Sorensen for the Chargers. Colin Klein for the Texans. Got a blue paper for the Lions of Ezekiel Ansah out of $4.99. Ezekiel Ansah, blue paper out of $4.99. Got black parallels of Andy Dalton and Tom Brady. Have a chrome rookie for the Jaguars of Luke Yokel. Luke Yokel, chrome rookie for the Jags. Have a chrome base of Phillip Rivers. And a nice one of Alfred Morris. Silver cracked ice. Alfred Morris, silver cracked ice. I don't see a numbering on it though, but it looks nice. Alfred Morris, silver cracked ice. So, on to the next pack. Take all the base off the back. Take that mini card. Alright. The mini card, or mini rookie, is for the Dolphins, Deion Sims. Now the base rookies for the 49ers, Marcus Lattimore. Texans, Ray Graham. Lions, Joseph Fourier. Steelers, Marcus Wheaton. Broncos, Zach Dysert. Cardinals, Ryan Swope. Jaguars, Luke Yokel. 49ers, Eric Reed. Now the black rookies, Mike Glennon for the Buccaneers. Robert Woods for the Bills. DeAndre Hopkins for the Texans. Sheldon Richardson for the Jets. Then the black parallels are Jermaine Gresham and Antonio Brown. Chrome rookie goes to the Lions, Joseph Fourier. Joseph Fourier for the Lions, Chrome rookie. Got a Jordy Nelson Chrome base. Oh, nice! Nice! Autograph, gold, Chrome, EJ Manuel. That one's the Bills. I know that one for sure. EJ Manuel, gold Chrome, numbered out of 75. Nice hit in the first box. Damn. Second month of having 2013 with the biggest rookie. It's a nice card. So the next pack. The mini rookie is Aaron Millette for the Ravens. Now the base rookies are Deion Jordan for the Dolphins, Giovanni Bernard for the Bengals, Eddie Lacy for the Packers, Derrick Rogers for the Bills, Christine Michael for the Seahawks, Chris Gregg for the Bills, Rex Burkhead for the Bengals, Alec Ogletree for the Rams. Now the black rookies for the Falcons, Desmond Trufant. For the Broncos, Monte Ball. For the Redskins, Bakari Rambo. For the Jaguars, Matt Scott. The two base blacks are T.Y. Hilton and Ben Roethlisberger. Have a chrome parallel. Not sure what that one's called. Kenny Stills for the Saints out of 99. Kenny Stills chrome parallel out of 99 for the Saints. Pretty nice one. Got a chrome. The base chrome is Des Bryant. And the die cut is Rob Gronkowski for the Patriots. Rob Gronkowski for the Patriots. So we got 3 packs left. Still looking for one auto and a jersey. Take all the base off the pack. Give me that. The mini rookie is for the Bills, Nickel Roby. Nickel Roby for the Bills. Base rookies for the Vikings, Cordarrelle Patterson. For the Giants, Ryan Nassib. For the Vikings, Xavier Rhodes. For the Jets, Geno Smith. For the Steelers, Jarvis Jones. For the Bills, Nickel Roby. For the Cardinals, Tyrann Mathieu. For the Steelers, Le'Veon Bell. Now the black rookies, Giovanni Bernard for the Bengals. Eddie Lacy for the Packers. Derek Rogers for the Bills. Christine Michael for the Seahawks. The base blacks are Jason Pierre-Paul and Jordy Nelson. Have a gold chrome for the Cardinals of Stephon Taylor out of $3.99. Stephon Taylor, gold chrome for the Cardinals out of $3.99. The base chrome is Mike Williams. And autograph number 4 is of Ray Graham. Again, not sure what team he was drafted by. Ray Graham, chrome autograph. Not sure on the team. Have to check that one out. Kenny said that earlier Matt Elam auto is for the Ravens. So Ray Graham auto. We got 2 packs left. Still looking for the jersey. And it's going to be in this. Oh, all right. Got a couple bonus hits. All right. Looks like a nice pack. The mini rookie is for the Jaguars of Lonnie Pryor. Lonnie Pryor mini. Now the base rookies for the Patriots, Aaron Dobson. For the Steelers, Landry Jones. For the Redskins, Jordan Reed. For the Broncos, Tavares King. For the Falcons, Sean Renfree. For the Cowboys, Gavin Escobar. For the Giants, Demontre Moore. For the Eagles, Matt Barkley. Now the black rookies. For the Bills, Chris Gregg. For the Bengals, Rex Burkhead. For the Rams, Alex Ogletree. Now we got an orange paper for the Saints of Chase Thomas out of $2.99. Chase Thomas for the Saints, orange paper out of $2.99. Have a black base parallel of Julio Jones and Mike Williams. Chrome rookie for the Broncos of Zach Dysert. Zach Dysert, chrome rookie for the Broncos. Oh, nice. Blue chrome for the Broncos of Von Miller out of 99. Von Miller blue chrome out of 99. And we have the relic hit, which is actually pretty nice. It's actually a printing plate relic for the Steelers, Jonathan Dwyer. Relic printing plate autograph, 1 of 1. Nice 2-color patch, black and white. Jonathan Dwyer for the Steelers. Printing plate patch, 1 of 1. Very nice. And got a bonus hit on the back. Autograph of Vaughn Telemaque. Vaughn Telemaque. I know most of these autographs are undrafted guys, so we'll have to look at if anybody picked them up. If not, we'll have to random them off. But Vaughn Telemaque is the bonus hit. So, one more pack left. Take the base off the back. Give me that mini. Mini rookie is Tavares King. Tavares King for the Broncos. Now the base rookies for the Redskins, Brandon Jenkins. For the Cowboys, Joseph Randle. For the Buccaneers, Mike Glennon. For the Bills, Robert Woods. For the Texans, DeAndre Hopkins. For the Jets, Sheldon Richardson. For the Panthers, Star Lutulele. For the Cardinals, Alex Okafor. For the black rookies, for the Bengals, Tyler Eifert. Buccaneers, Jonathan Banks. For the Colts, Bjorn Werner. Have a gold paper for the Panthers of Kenyon Barner out of $3.99. Kenyon Barner gold paper out of $3.99. The black parallels are of Des Bryant and Phillip Rivers. Excuse me. Chrome rookie is for the Cardinals, Ryan Swope. Ryan Swope for the Cardinals, chrome rookie. The chrome base is of Bobby Wagner. And a nice silver ice parallel of Geno Smith for the Jets. Don't see a numbering on it. Geno Smith chrome ice, not numbered, but pretty nice. And that's it. No more packs. So